Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can reset the advanced call settings in Line app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up the Line Messenger and then what you need to do is click on Home, which you see on the bottom left corner. After that, you can see settings on the top right hand side of your screen. Go ahead and tap on the settings, scroll a bit down and find calls. Then tap on calls, scroll and find advanced call setting. Then what you need to do is scroll again and you can scroll all the way down and you can see the reset advanced call setting option. So if you have changed the call settings from here and want to reset this setting, you can do this. Go ahead and tap on reset advanced setting and it will ask you again if you really want to reset it. If you're sure, just go ahead and tap on reset and there you go. This is how you can reset the advanced call settings in Line. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.